welcome back to my channel, Coasting with Claudel. Today we are in the beautiful Mykonos in the west coast. It truly is a piece of Greece in South Africa. So we have been invited by Lou Giffen Sotheby's to spend the day in a magnificent mansion. So we are also going to go and have a look at Club Mykonos and see what activities they have up to offer. And then I think we're going to end off the day with some lovely drinks, sundowners with some friends. So guys, let me take you on a tour of this beautiful mansion. Of the mansion. It's beautiful and spacious. I love the fact that the sliding doors can open up and you have the stunning panoramic view of the ocean. This is the beautiful French Provence kitchen. Bedrooms, and if you are interested, this house is actually for sale at the moment. I'll put the link down in my description box so that if you're interested to find out the price, you can just click on the link and it will give you all the information. So come on guys, let's go see what the main bedroom looks like. So beautiful. This mansion has a panoramic view. No matter where you are in the house, you can see the ocean.